Hello, today we're analyzing Coca Cola stock. Coca Cola stock is currently trading at $70.79 level. The current relative strength index, RSI for KO stock, stands at 60.6. This value suggests that the stock is in a neutral zone, as it is neither in the overbought territory above 70 nor in the oversold region below 30. Being above the 50 mark indicates a potential bullish momentum. However, the current RSI still leaves room for further upward movement without entering the overbought territory. Traders often regard an RSI in this range as a signal to watch for potential upward price action, especially if the stock continues to gain strength. Should the RSI break above 70, it would indicate that KO stock could be overbought, leading to possible price corrections. Conversely, if it dips below 30, it would signal oversold conditions and suggest a price bounce might be on the horizon. Looking at the moving averages, KO stock is currently priced at 70.79, which is above the 5-day moving average of 70.60, the 10-day average of 70.45, and the 20-day average of 70.42. This positioning indicates a short-term bullish trend as the price consistently remains above these key averages. The fact that the stock is trading above its short-term moving averages is a positive sign, reflecting strength in price momentum. However, it's important to note that the price is approaching resistance levels, which may cause it to hesitate or consolidate before making a substantial move. If the price does pull back and crosses below these averages, that could signal a potential shift in momentum and warrant caution for traders. Turning to the MACD, we observe that the MACD line is at 0.281, while the signal line is at 0.286. This indicates that the MACD line is currently below the signal line, which can be interpreted as a bearish signal in the short term. This divergence might suggest that the upward momentum is weakening, and traders should be cautious as it may indicate that a price pullback could occur. However, it's essential to consider this in conjunction with other indicators as the overall trend remains bullish. If the MACD line crosses above the signal line in the future, it would reinforce the bullish sentiment and could signify a resumption of upward momentum. Examining the Bollinger Bands, we see that the upper band is positioned at $70.85. The middle band, which represents the 20-day simple moving average, is at $70.42. And the lower band is at $69.98. The current price of $70.79 is just below the upper band, suggesting that the stock is experiencing normal volatility and is not currently at an extreme price level. The width of the bands indicates the level of market volatility. A narrower band suggests lower volatility, while a wider band indicates higher volatility. Since the price is close to the upper band, this could potentially point to a forthcoming price squeeze, which often precedes significant price movements. Traders should monitor the price action as it approaches the upper band for potential breakout or reversal signals. In terms of volume, the current trading volume is 203,709 shares, which is markedly above the average volume of 1,728,127 shares. This higher volume relative to average indicates strong market participation and interest in KO stock at this price level. An increase in volume, especially when accompanied by price movement, often validates the direction of that price movement. The volume ratio of 1.16 times the average suggests that traders are actively engaging with this stock, potentially increasing the likelihood of a continuation of the current trend. If the price does rise further, maintaining or increasing volume will be critical to confirm that the upward momentum is supported by strong buying interest. Support and resistance levels are crucial for analyzing potential price movements. The identified support level is at 67.25, which acts as a safety net for the stock. If the price were to approach this level, it could bounce back up, indicating strong buying interest. Conversely, the resistance level is at 74.32, which is a significant psychological barrier. A breakout above this level could lead to a more substantial upward move, while failure to break this level could trigger profit-taking or selling pressure, possibly pushing the price back towards support. Traders should keep a close watch on these levels, as they represent critical zones that could dictate future price action. In conclusion, the current analysis presents both bullish and bearish scenarios for KO stock. On the bullish side, if the price continues to hold above the moving averages and breaks through the resistance level of 74.32 with strong volume, it could lead to a sustained upward trend. Traders should pay attention to the RSI and MACD for confirmation of momentum. On the bearish side, if the price were to drop below the support level of 67.25, or if the MACD signal remains negative, it could signal a reversal or a correction in the price action. In such cases, risk management strategies, including stop losses or scaling out of positions, would be vital to mitigate potential losses. Overall, while the indicators suggest a bullish outlook, caution is warranted, and traders should remain vigilant to changing market conditions. This analysis is for informational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice. For more content, please like and subscribe to our channel.